A very good morning, E-grader and my audience today. My name is Uma Devi. My matric number is 9604200654320001. I am from OUM Kuala Lumpur, Pahang. Today, I would like to present about the importance of animal conservation in preserving biodiversity. Before I start my speech, what is animal conservation? Animal conservation, in its true definitions, is to love and fight for the wildlife you love and the habitat they live in. The act of protecting ecosystem and environment to protect the animals that live there. Animal conservation job usually filled by incredibly passionate and dedicated people who have committed to spending their entire life to defending the natural world. Next, what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is all the different kinds of life you will find in one area. The variety of animals, plants, fungi, and even microorganisms like bacteria that make up our natural world. Each of these species and organisms work together in ecosystem like an intricate web to maintain balance and support life. Biodiversity supports everything in nature that we need to survive. That is food, clean water, medicine, and shelter. There are three types in biodiversity. First thing is genetic diversity. Refers to the variations among the genetic resource of the organisms. Every individual of a particular species differs from each other in their genetic constitutions. That is why every human looks different from each other. Similarly, there are different varieties in the same species of rice, wheat, maize, barley. Second one, species diversity, refers to the variety of different types of species found in particular area. It is the biodiversity at the most basic level. It includes all the species ranging from plants to different microorganisms. No two individuals of the same species are exactly similar. For example, humans show a lot of diversity among themselves. Third one, ecological diversity. An ecosystem is a collection of living and non-living organisms and their interaction with each other. Ecological biodiversity refers to the variations in the plant and animal species living together and connected by food chains and food meals. Now, the importance of animal conservation in preserving biodiversity. In the world capital, every species from the smallest insects to the most powerful predator weaves a unique thread together. They form a complex web of biodiversity that sustains our planet. But these webs are under threat like never before. As the paths of history cross, it is important to recognize the urgent need to protect animals. We don't just protect individual species, we are protecting the essence of life itself. Imagine a world without majestic elephants roaming the deserts, the beautiful songs of birds that fill the forests, and the playful activities of dolphins in the sea. This is the grave situation we face if we don't take action. But conservation is not about protecting megafauna. This is about protecting ecosystem, ensuring the survival of many interconnected species, and ensuring the ecosystem services that sustain life on Earth. We cannot stand idly by and watch this problem happen. We all have work to do. Every action counts, whether it's supporting conservations, organizations, supporting sustainability, or simply giving your community a boost. Building a generations to support those who can't speak for themselves and care for and protect our jewels. Live the life around us. Together we will write a new chapter in Earth's history, a chapter of care, protections, and hope. Ultimately, the fate of Earth is in our hands. Let's make a conscious choice for all living things and for future generations. We will own the world we leave behind. And now I will share that I face when I do this assignment. So this assignment opened a room for me to learn and at the same be a better version of myself. With the help of this assignment, I have been able to overcome my fears more so when it comes to issues to do with self-confidence. I am also proud of myself having been able to carry the project to the completion, and I also feel I have been able to build on my communication speech. Thank you so much.